This is the Mastec CNC metal milling machine, metal milling rigging machine. The size is 600 millimeters wide and 600 millimeters length, the working size. The control system is Mastec. Handheld for manual handle. The motor structure is cast iron, and the transmission is both screw transmission. So the transmission is high precision one. The spindle is a 5.5 kilowatts ATC spindle. It has 4 ATC. It is fork, two-good fork. And this is a two sensor, automatically two sensor. It's for screw. And this is anti-rust stainless steel chip rod table, cast iron. For metal processing, like steel, brass, bronze, aluminum, and other stainless gold and silver metal. The lighter and the mixed cooling system for cooling during processing, during metal processing. It's very beautiful machine. This is for tool holder. For tool holder position. Anti-dust, dust cover. Machine has two windows, two doors. This one, side, and the front one. The driving system is Japan Yaskawa motor and driver. It's very powerful and high precision, especially suitable for metal processing, metal milling and engraving. This contains a control board, Yaskawa system, third-party system. This is the inverter. It's low power here. This is the electric part, electricity. Welcome your inquiry.